guys, welcome to the video. Today we'll be unboxing the Uniden UH15-3. These are a great little CB radio for the kids, just to give them something to communicate with the adults. I know personally when we go to caravan parks, it's always nice to be able to communicate with the kids and make sure they're okay without having to go and check on them quite so often. We still do make sure that we go out and check on them, but this radio enables us to communicate with the kids no matter where they are within a 3 kilometre range. Not that they would ever go that far, but it does go up to 3 kilometres. They're quite easy and simple for the kids to use. They're also brightly coloured, which the kids love. And it does make it a little bit harder for them to lose them, which was inevitable for us, but it's been really handy so far. They do come with the USB charging cord for each radio, which is very handy. They are made of plastic, and the little belt buckle clip just slots on like that and locks into place. They're a really handy little radio. They're USB charging. They have two-way talk. They have 80 channels. They're actually quite small as well, and they've got a range of up to 3 kilometres. With that battery time, with USB charging, if you've got some AA batteries, it takes 3, and that does last up to 50 hours, which is really handy. There are 3 colours in the pack. There is a lime, a blue and a red. Just pulling up the back here, we just pull off the belt clip. And the backing does come off, which will show you where the batteries are located. We got ours from Kmart, but they are located around other places as well. There are some on eBay. I'll even put some links below to Amazon, and if you do click through that link, that does support the channel as well and does give you the best price that we can find at the time of recording. Charger cord just plugs into the top like so, and then the USB plugs into your 5-watt outlet. You do have the option to run non-rechargeable or rechargeable batteries. So the USB cord is for the rechargeable batteries, or you can just run regular batteries in there and just replace them as needed. There is also an instruction manual in the box, which we'll have a little read through. I'll put a link below the video to an online version of the instruction manual if you need to see any details before you buy, or if you've lost your instruction manual and you want to find the link, I'll put that below. It does look a little bit complex at a first glance on the instructions, but I can assure you they're quite easy to operate once set up, and the kids will have no problems operating them by themselves. Size-wise, these radios are small enough to fit in your pocket or the kids' pocket. They are 160 centimeters tall by 56.5 centimeters wide and 34.5 centimeters deep. The display is a liquid crystal display, which is quite easy to read even in the sun. I know some radios are a little bit difficult to read once the sun is shining on them, but these do work quite well. If you do forget to put the radio on the correct channel, there is a scan function on the radios, so when you do talk from the caravan, for instance, and the kids are not on the correct channel, if it is on scan, they press scan, they can find you talking. These particular radios are a 500 milliwatt RF output. There is a battery level indicator on there as well, which shows you how much battery is remaining. Thanks for watching, guys. As I said before, I'll put some links below for you to check out this product. If you do click through those links, some of those links will help the channel, but I can assure you they are the best prices that we can find at the time of recording. I hope the video helped a few of you. I know that we were looking for a good radio for the kids for some time, and when we found these, they did tick all our boxes. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.